त्रिपुरा प्रांत तृणमूल कांग्रेस पार्टी ने पेट्रोल और डीजल, रसोई गैस सहित आवश्यक वस्तुओं की असामान्य छूती कीमतों के खिलाफ विरोध मार्च निकाला। जुलूस अगरतला प्रेस क्लब के सामने से शुरू हुआ और अगरतला हाईवे का चक्कर लगाया। इस दिन जुलूस में तृणमूल कांग्रेस की राज्यसभा सांसद सुष्मिता देव और तृणमूल कांग्रेस के प्रदेश नेता मौजूद थे। इस दिन मीडिया से बात करते हुए तृणमूल कांग्रेस के राज्यसभा सांसद ने कहा कि जिस तरह से रसोई गैस, डीजल और पेट्रोल समेत दैनिक जरूरत वस्तुओं के दाम बढ़ रहे हैं, उस पर केंद्र और राज्य सरकार कोई कार्रवाई नहीं कर रही है। उन्होंने आगे कहा कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने लोगों को ये स्पष्ट नहीं किया है कि राज्य के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री ने मुख्यमंत्री पद से इस्तीफा क्यों दिया था। इस मुद्दे पर अभी भी सवालिया निशान बना हुआ है।
You see, till now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has not been able to explain why the Chief Minister has been changed. I can only conclude that it was complete misgovernance of 4 years, and I think to say that the former Chief Minister is going to be brought into the organization, I think it's just a hogwash, and I don't see it happening. I think the writing is on the wall. People are no longer with the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they are fully aware of that, and that's the reason they've changed their Chief Minister.
Today you had an important meeting. You have been moving throughout the state. So how do you see the response of the Trinamool, and today what is this rally all about?
Today we had a meeting of the SC cell department of Trinamool Congress, in which party president Shubhol Bhomik was there and our in charge Rajiv Banerjee. It is very clear there are 10 reserved seats in the state of Tripura, but apart from that, SC population is at 20%, and they are totally deprived and sidelined. No one has given them, especially this government or the last government, has not delivered on their promises for the people. We will do a massive outreach program amongst the scheduled castes under the aegis of the SCCL department. This is a protest for price rise. You know, inflation is at 15.8. LPG gas cylinders cost 1,000 rupees, and I need not talk about diesel and petrol, especially in Tripura. It's a landlocked area right now. People are suffering like anything. Government has taken no concrete steps. So we are doing a protest for that and with all our leaders and workers.
My last question is about there has been seen a fraction in the IPFT, the alliance partner of BJP. How do you see into this development? Do you think that will give a advantage to the Tripura Motha also?
See, I cannot say what will happen to Tripura Motha and whether IPFT's breakup will benefit Tripura Motha. But I can tell you this much, that Bharatiya Janata Party has neither delivered to its alliance partners nor to the people of Tripura. That has also become clear. They have betrayed the people, but they betrayed their alliance partners. Otherwise, why is this rift coming? We are growing strength by strength in the ST area and the hill area, and you will see in the next couple of months what is the strength of Trinamool Congress in this area.